James, glad to have you here. Excited to partner with you for the Series A.
Thanks for that. The world is shifting to AI answer engines as an alternative to search. So people speak to the internet and for the first time ever, it talks back. Platforms like ChatGPT are now being used for shopping. And every brand on the planet needs to rethink how they show up in these new environments. So here at Profound, we're building a platform to help brands understand and control how they show up on this new generative internet.
How are the most thoughtful brands out there engaging with you as they try to understand how AI is affecting their business?
So we work predominantly with enterprise brands, and I think every enterprise brand has now realized that the agentic internet is here. I think essentially platforms like ChatGPT will capture the relationship with the end user, and in this new three-party system, every enterprise brand will have to figure out how to communicate with that end user via a platform like ChatGPT. In terms of how brands should be thinking about this, there are some very short-term practical tactics that brands can take. So things like ensuring that your content is optimized for retrieval agents, even ensuring that you're allowing these crawlers to visit your site. There's new protocols that are emerging, like LLMs.txt, which essentially is creating a well-schemed version of your website that can be interacted with via an agent. The more philosophical answer to this is just understanding that you as a brand have to create content for bots, not humans. It's a new customer profile that brands are creating for now.
What scale is this all at today, and what scale do you think it'll be in a couple of years?
Today, we're seeing numbers such as 10, 15% of referral traffic is coming from platforms like ChatGPT, but the rate of growth is the most remarkable thing. We're seeing double-digit growth of human referral traffic coming through these answer engines. When you combine that with factors like ChatGPT integrating shopping, this is obvious that this is one of the biggest platform shifts in the history of marketing.
If you're a brand, what's different between creating content for a human and creating content for a bot?
When you think about it, humans are limited by our cognitive stamina. So a human gets impatient after reading a few sentences. A bot can read extremely rich, thorough content in high volumes. We think there's a possibility that content production could move closer to something almost like high-frequency trading, where brands are creating thousands of pieces of content every second and distributing new content, or even going one step further than that, there could be a future where brands create agents that interface with the end consumer's agent. So this agent-to-agent type interfacing is what we think is interesting. So Profound would be the place where brands create those agents, and it only benefits the end consumer.